If you've been trying to get better at game art, but you feel like you're just piecing together random tutorials, well, this program is gonna change that. I built a full game art program that takes you from an idea all the way to a polished, game-ready portfolio piece using real production workflows. This is the same mindset that I use as a 3D artist at Epic Games, and what I've taught for over 15 years at universities. And now, hundreds of artists across my courses and YouTube. The program is split into 2 courses. Course 1 is Modeling and UV Mapping Foundations. Course 2 is Texturing, Rendering, and Presentation. Each one has over 40 modules, more than 15 hours of narrated content, time lapses, project files, exercises, and written outlines, so you're not just watching, you're actually practicing. We start with an idea and concept planning, then move into clean 3D modeling with topology top of mind, then high to low poly workflows, mid-poly workflows, weighted normals, UV mapping, texture baking, PBR texturing, real-time lighting, and rendering in Blender Eevee. Then we take all of that and present it in a clean, professional-looking portfolio. Everything is supported by a private Discord community where you can ask questions, share progress, and get help as you build. If you want real production workflow you can rely on for both studio work and your own personal project, well, the Game Art program is live now, and I'd love to see you there.